Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning the physical or emailed Apple gift card into Apple ID credit. Open the App Store or Settings and tap Redeem Gift Card or Code, then sign in with the same Apple ID used for Brawl Stars. Enter or scan the code exactly. Once accepted, the balance updates immediately. This step is essential because in-app purchases on iOS draw from Apple ID balance before other payment methods. Make sure the card's region matches your Apple ID to avoid error. Once your Apple ID has credit, launch Brawl Stars and go straight to the shop. Choose the gems, pack, or bundle you want. When you tap Buy, the App Store purchase sheet appears and will prioritize Apple ID balance. Confirm the charge. No extra cards are needed if your balance covers it. If balance is insufficient, top up the remainder with another payment method in Settings. This flow uses Apple's billing system, so the game receives the purchase without separate codes or transfers. Finish by verifying the gems appeared in Brawl Stars. Wait a short moment and restart the app if they don't show. If the App Store accepted the gift card but the purchase failed, check your Apple ID region matches the card, confirm sufficient balance, and review the App Store receipt in purchase history. If the receipt shows success, yet gems are missing, contact Apple support first with the receipt and then Supercell via in-game help. This two-step approach resolves most delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.